Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In yesterday's class, we are discussing about what is business and what are the characteristics of business. So, business means being busy in an activity. That activity should be an economic activity. We are called it as business. Business refers to an occupation people regularly engage in an activity related to manufacturing, producing, purchasing and selling of goods and services with the point of earning profit. We are called it as business. Next, we already know about the characteristics of business. So, business is an economic activity. Business means production or procurement of goods and services. Next, sale or exchange of goods and services that should be dealing regularly. Next, earning profit. Then, element of risk and uncertainty of return. These are all the characteristics of business. We are already discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay. Today we are going to discussing the topic about concept of business. Concept of business. In the society, every people engage in different activities. So, people engage in different activity. We are called it as human activities. Human activity, that means people working or doing some work. People doing some work, we are called it as human activity. So that human activities we are divided into two. One is economic activity and another one is non-economic activity. So human activity. Human activities. So human activity, people working, we are working some activities, we are called it as human activities. So that human activities we are further divided into two. One is economic activity and another one is economic activities and non-economic activity. Non-economic activity. So what is economic activity and what is non-economic activity? Economic activity means earning money, doing some work and earning money, we are called it as economic activity. This is not for any sympathy or empathy, love and affection. Only the purpose of earning money, the people doing work, we are called it as economic activity. Okay. Then non-economic activity. The people doing work for love and affection, sympathy and empathy, we are called it as non-economic activity. Yes, we are taking example for non-economic activity. Is taking for example for non-economic activity, a woman cooking food for her family, she doesn't take any economic reward or monetary value or any money for that. She only cook food for her family, for love and affection of her family only. Okay? ಒಬ್ಬಳು ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ಒಂದು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮನಿನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವಳು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲಿನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಡುಗೆನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಹೊರತು ಮನಿ ಅಥವಾ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. A boy A boy helped for a old man in road for crossing the road. ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥವರಿಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಮನಿನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಹಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಂಪತಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನು ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಹೊರತು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ people work for love, affection, sympathy and empathy. Okay, then economic activities. We already know about economic activities. Economic activities means people doing work for earning money. Earning money is only the motive, only the goal for people in an economic activity. So best example for economic activity, you are going to market and purchase some vegetables. That person doing work for earning money. Okay, then another example, you are going to a doctor shop, doctor giving some services to you and they are get back money from you. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮನಿನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮನಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ economic activity we are further divided into three types. Economic activity we are further divided into three types. First one is business, then profession, then employment. Business, profession, then employment. Yes, business. We already know about business. Business is an occupation of people doing some activities related to manufacturing, producing, purchasing, selling of goods and services for earning profit. Earning income in the form of profit, we are call it as business. So business ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ only the motive is earning profit. They are earning profit, we are call it as an economic activity. Then profession. Profession means people doing an activity with special knowledge and special skills. With a special knowledge and special skills, we are called it as profession. Okay, best example for profession: doctors, lawyers, CA, chartered accountants. Okay, so doctors working under the Medical Council of India. Doctors working the Medical Council of India under the Code of Conduct and rules and regulation. What are all the Medical Council of India given on the basis the doctors are working. Okay, then lawyers are also working under Code of Conduct of Bar Council. Lawyer, doctors, then lawyers, then CA. Then CA chartered accountant. Chartered accountant also working under code of conduct of Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Okay, so profession means a person working as a special knowledge and special skills, we are called it as profession. Then employment. Employment means the person getting the work from other people. A person getting the work from other people, we are called it as employment. The person who give the work or give the employment to another person, we are called as employer. The person who give the work to another people, we are called the person, we are called it as employer. ಯಾರು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸನ ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ಯಾರು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್: ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, supervisor, foremen, and staffs and clerks, we are called it as employees. Okay, so these are all the types of economic activity. The economic activity are divided into three. One is business, profession and employment. Okay.